In this video, we'll be installing copper compression lugs on a NQ 400 amp panel board. The first step in the process is to remove the lugs that came on the panel board. The next step in the process will be to install the lug pads, and there are two parts to this that need to remain intact with the hardware that comes on the hardware card. The hardware card contains 6 screws for the A, B, and C phase and 2 screws for the neutral. The next step is to install the neutral lug utilizing the hardware in the hardware card. Next, we'll install each phase lug on the studs for the lug pads. We'll secure these with the caps nuts that come with the bag assembly. Next, we'll torque each connection based on the torque requirements on the hardware card and in the instruction sheet.